If you skip this review, you could easily spend $50,000 or more on a family SUV without ever truly understanding what sets it apart or why it might just blend into the crowded midsize segment. Most drivers won't notice just how dramatically the 2026 Hyundai Palisade has been reimagined until it's too late. Is this the ultimate family SUV that elevates every journey, or a high-stakes gamble you'll regret? Would you actually invest your money here? Does this SUV genuinely represent success, or is it more about clever marketing? And if you were behind the wheel, which feature would matter most to you right now? Buckle up. Over the next 35 minutes, we're going all in, and missing any part could cost you insight. Step into the Palisade Calligraphy, and you immediately notice the elevated craftsmanship. Nappa leather cushions your hands, perfectly heated in winter or ventilated in summer. Dual 12.3-inch displays command the dashboard, seamlessly blending navigation, infotainment, and a futuristic heads-up display into your line of sight. Horizontal dash lines visually widen the cabin, subtle ambient lighting shifts with your mood, and premium Bose audio envelops the interior in cinematic clarity. Every detail speaks refinement. Outside, the Palisade's new blocky stance commands attention like never before. Vertical LED headlights flank a bold grille that dominates the road. People notice. From SE to Calligraphy, Hyundai has transformed the Palisade from a conventional family SUV into a vehicle that exudes authority. But here's the twist most reviews miss. The 2026 redesign isn't just skin deep. Hyundai replaced softer curves with sharper angles, a move that some love and others debate heatedly. On top of that, complementary maintenance is gone, quietly changing the ownership cost equation. Are you ready for that trade-off? Or does it make this redesigned Palisade feel risky? Performance is next. The 3.5L V6 churns out 287 horsepower and 260 pound-foot of torque, smooth and capable of towing up to 5,000 pounds. The hybrid is a revelation. 329 horsepower, 339 pound-foot, and a 0 to 60 time around 6.6 seconds. Instant torque from the electric motors delivers surprising responsiveness for a mid-size SUV. AWD with Terrain Mode Select allows confident handling on snow, mud, or sand. Efficiency or power, which matters most to you? Share your choice in the comments. Inside, second-row comfort is equally impressive. Heated and ventilated captain's chairs offer a touch of sanctuary, while power-adjustable third-row seats ensure no one feels left out. Families will debate seating arrangements: 7 seats with captain's chairs, or 8 with a bench. Sound off below. Technology continues to impress. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a digital key, and an integrated dashcam make the Palisade feel futuristic. The dashcam isn't just a gadget. It's peace of mind, silently protecting your family in ways beyond traditional safety systems. Hyundai SmartSense safety tech goes beyond the basics. Forward collision avoidance with pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot collision avoidance, rear cross-traffic alert, lane keeping, and lane following assist all work intuitively. 10 airbags, including driver knee and second-row side protection, make every journey feel secure. But here's a psychological question. Does such confidence make you a safer driver, or tempt you to push limits? Fuel economy is where the hybrid shines. The standard V6 delivers 18 to 25 miles per gallon, while the hybrid can reach up to 34 combined miles per gallon. Smart, responsible, and practical, efficiency now feels luxurious. The Palisade demands attention on the road. Vertical LEDs, a wide stance, and 2021-inch alloy wheels create an unmistakable presence. Every parking lot and stoplight becomes a stage. Some will call the design polarizing, others groundbreaking. Which side do you fall on? Bold innovation or cautious styling? Against rivals like the Toyota Highlander, Honda Pilot, Kia Telluride, and Ford Explorer, the Palisade stakes a unique claim. Calligraphy trims deliver near-luxury refinement without luxury pricing. Hybrid trims bring efficiency to a segment dominated by gas engines. Do you value comfort, efficiency, or raw capability? Let us know in the comments. Handling is another often overlooked aspect. Four-wheel independent suspension, multi-link rear setup, and electronic control suspension make cornering feel controlled and confident. Sport mode sharpens responsiveness. Eco mode smooths the ride. AWD terrain modes tackle off-road challenges with ease. Imagine a weekend trip off the beaten path while your family enjoys hushed luxury inside. After this, you've experienced presence, comfort, and technology. The psychological impact lingers. The combination of bold styling, hybrid efficiency, advanced tech, and a 10-year per 100,000-mile powertrain warranty delivers pride, security, and status. Families feel protected. Professionals feel wise. Enthusiasts feel conflicted. Can one SUV truly do it all? Reconsider the controversy. Complimentary maintenance is gone. Some see it as a loss. Others see it as a trade-off for upgraded features, hybrid tech, and refined luxury. Would you accept it for innovation? Or is it too steep a price? Comment your take. Now imagine a full week in a Palisade Calligraphy hybrid. Commutes, weekend adventures, family events, everything elevated. Recognition and status follow naturally. This SUV isn't just transport, it's a lifestyle statement, and psychologically, you're already weighing its payoff against competitors. Here's the final verdict. If family comfort, tech, luxury, and efficiency matter most, the 2026 Hyundai Palisade stands alone. Hybrid trims suit efficiency-focused buyers. Calligraphy delivers Genesis-level luxury without the high cost. Skip it only if raw sport performance or conservative styling is your priority. Final question for the comments. Will you embrace Hyundai's bold new design, or stick with the familiar comfort of traditional SUVs? Which choice best aligns with your values and lifestyle? If this review guided your decision, subscribe. We don't just hype cars, we break them down, helping you make smarter choices. And trust me, what's next is worth seeing.